Hi, I'm Junior with Keystone RV Center. Today we're going to be talking about dewinterizing your camper. It's a question we've got. As you guys are seeing, we're trying to upload videos of every manufacturer that we carry on the lot on how to winterize at least one of their floor plans. We can't do a video for everyone on how to dewinterize. So here's how I'm going to tell you to do it, and this will apply across the board. Start by connecting your garden hose to city water. Obviously a fresh water source at that point. Go ahead and turn on all your faucets. Let everything run out till you get clear water running out. Now, if you have a unit like a Flagstaff that has a onboard water filter built in, and you're going to have to take that housing off with the water pressure off. Remove that housing, empty the container, reapply the container probably 2 or 3 times till you get a good clean flow through there, because the antifreeze will sit in the bottom of that. You may want to rinse it out pretty good too, because it will stick a little bit in there. A little soap and water doesn't hurt it. Just make sure you pre-soak your filters according to the instruction of the filter before you reinsert it into the water filter housing. Once you've done that and you've assured that all the antifreeze is out of the system, then go to the back of the hot water heater and unbypass it. You should just take the valves, in which however many you had, 1, 2, or 3, just reverse them from what you had them at for winterization, and that should allow the water pressure to fill into there. And insert your anoid rod, turn the water pressure back onto the camper, and then that'll allow the water heater to fill. You can use the pressure relief valve to help bleed off some of the air, or just leave one faucet open on hot. Once you're done that, I mean, that's pretty much it. Getting clean water flowing through the coach first, then get to the hot water heater. That's the key. Don't unbypass the hot water heater until we've assured that all the antifreeze is out, because you don't want that residue building up on the inside of the hot water heater. Aside from that, guys, if you have further questions about dewinterization, comment down below. Me and Mark have been trying to pay attention to that comment section and get back to you as quickly as possible. Feel free to email us or give us a call, 1-800-232-3279. Have a great day.